So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can set up a new iPhone. So first of all, press this power button. And now you will see hello in different languages. On this screen, swipe up. Now here, you will have to select the language. Select your preferred language. For this video, we will use English. After this, select your country. Let's select India. After this, you will have to set the appearance. On this screen, you can set text and icon size. You can select default, medium or large. So I will go with default. Once done, tap on continue. Now, if you want to set up a fresh device, then tap on setup without another device. Now you will have to set up written and spoken languages. Here tap on setup later in settings. Now you can connect to a Wi-Fi network. If you don't want to use Wi-Fi right now, then tap on continue without Wi-Fi. Tap on continue. Now this will take a few minutes to activate the iPhone. Now in data and privacy, tap on continue. After this, tap on setup for myself. Now you will have to set up Face ID. We will do this later. So tap on setup later. After this, create a passcode for your iPhone. So let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap on use anyway. Confirm the passcode. Now you will get various options to transfer your data. If you want a fresh setup, then tap on don't transfer anything. Now here, enter your Apple ID. Once you enter the password, tap on continue. After this, you will get a verification code on any other Mac or iPhone with the same Apple ID. After this will open terms and condition page. Here tap on agree. Now this will sign in to your Apple ID. Now tap on continue. Tap on continue. Now you can customize action button, but we can do it from the settings as well. So tap on not now. After this, you will have to set up Siri. Tap on continue. Select a voice. For example, let's go with voice 1. Tap on continue. Now set up Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Now here tap on not now. Continue. And the setup is now complete. Swipe up to get started. And that's it, the work is now done. So this is how you can set up a new iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.